Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're going to make some easy enchilada casserole. Well, I think it's easy. Okay, well first we're going to make sure that we cook our beef. Ground beef. And I'm really simple about it. I just put salt, pepper, and I put taco seasoning. I make it easy for myself. And then I add a little cornstarch with some water. I just do a tablespoon. Put it in some water and mix it together so I can have a gravy in the ground meat. You can put maybe 2 tablespoons if you want it thicker, but 1 teaspoon is fine with me. And so I just, mix it and it's done. I make sure I have some cheese, chalupa shells, sorry. I make sure I have that. And of course, some cooked ground beef. Easy. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that I oil my pan. Then I'm going to start layering. Yes, layering. Okay, so I have my chalupa shells, and then I'm going to have my ground beef. Yep, there you go. I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle some ground beef on the chalupa shells. It's kind of a tongue twister for me. There you go. And then I'm going to add my cheese, a layer of cheese. Then I'm going to go back and put my second, can't even talk today, second layer of chalupa shells. Then I'm going to add some beef, some more cheese, third layer of shells, my ground beef, some more cheese, and I like that's some great stuff. So I'm just gonna put that all around my casserole. Put some aluminum foil on top. I'll make sure that my stove is on 375. My oven, at 375. I'm gonna put it right in for 30 minutes. I told you this is simple. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make some rice. So I'm going to add some oil, any oil that you prefer. I'm going to put some oil. Then I'm going to add about 1.5 to 2 cups of rice. Okay, I put 2 cups. I couldn't remember. And I'm going to put my stove in medium. Yeah, medium is fine. I'm just going to fry it a little bit. And then when I think that I fried it enough, I'm going to go ahead and add some water, 2 to 3 cups, depending on your liking. And I'm going to go ahead and cut up some tomatoes. You can put tomato sauce, but I did not have tomato sauce on hand. So I had some ripe tomatoes, so I just cut them up. And I had some garlic, fresh garlic, so I decided to do that and chop those up. And I added some taco seasoning. I like taco seasoning. And some pepper. And some salt. And I did add some ground comino and some garlic powder. Yep. I let it boil. I put a top on it or a cover. And I decided to go ahead. Oh yeah. It's good. And after I boil it, and I think, you know what, it's cooked. I just go ahead and turn off the stove, and I go ahead and put the dish, yep, off the hot stove, not the hot stove, the hot burner, I should say the hot burner. And I'm gonna go ahead and check my casserole. Oh, looks delicious. And my rice, I make sure that I have a cover. I have no openings at all because the steam is just going to cook the rest of the rice, and it's going to just have that water evaporate. And I'm gonna check on my beans. My mom actually put this in the crock pot about 6 hours ago. And so I'm gonna add some spice. See how that looks amazing. And that's just by covering the dish and letting all that water just evaporate. Amazing. And on my beans, I added taco seasoning again, salt, pepper, and that's it. It was delicious. See you later. Bye.